morning. Let us continue our previous session TNPSC Group 2 and 4 useful mathematics problems. This is simplification. First question is, if star is an operation such that x star y is equal to 4x plus 5y, find the value of 3 star 2 plus 4 star 3. So this is a question and these are the options. Now the question is, x star y is equal to 4x plus 5y. So we have to find the value 3 star 2 plus 4 star 3. Now listen, this is in the form of x star y. So we know that x star y is equal to 4x plus 5y. Now what we have to do is 4 into 3 plus 5 into 2 plus 4 into 4 plus 3 into 5. That's it. So what we did is, this is in the form of x star y. So this is the form of x star y. So what is x here? 4 into 3. Y is 2 into 5. And here again 4 into 4 plus 5 into 3. So 4 3s are 12 plus 5 2s are 10 plus 4 4s are 16 plus 5 3s are 15. Hence the total value is 10, 20, 30, 40, 51, 53. So this is the answer. Hence the option D is correct. This is our first question. Let us move on to the next question. Our next question is 64 square minus 36 square is equal to 20x. Now what we have to do is, we have to find the value of x. So what is the question? 64 square minus 36 square is equal to 20x. Now we can write this as a square minus b square, which is equal to 20x. And we know that a square minus b square can be written as a plus b into a minus b, which is equal to 20x. Let us take a is equal to 64 and b is equal to 36. Now substitute here, that is 64 plus 36 into 64 minus 36 is equal to 20x. So this is 100 into 28 is equal to 20x. So 2800 is equal to 20x. Therefore x is equal to 140. So this is the answer for this question. Let us move on to the next question. Now listen, if x plus y is equal to 23, xy is equal to 126, what is the value of x square plus y square? And these are the options. So they have given x plus y, which is equal to 23. Now what will be that x plus y the whole square will be is equal to? Now we have to substitute 23 square. So 23 into 23 is 529. So 23 into 23, if you multiply this, you will get 529. Then write the equation for this x plus y whole square. X square plus y square plus 2xy, which is equal to this x plus y the whole square, that is a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Now x square plus y square plus 2 into, what is this xy? 126. So 2 into 126 is equal to, what is this x plus y whole square? 529. Now x square plus y square plus, multiply this 2 into 126, 2 6 are 12, 2 1 5 2, which is equal to 529. Now x square plus y square is equal to 529 minus 252. So x square plus y square is equal to 772. This is the answer. So the answer option is B. So like this we have to find the answers. Now let us move on to the next problem. If x plus 1 by x is equal to 2, find the value of x cube plus 1 by x cube, and these are the options. So here what they have mentioned, x plus 1 by x is equal to 2. Now let us take a is equal to x, b is equal to 1 divided by x, because x plus 1 by x the whole cube, which is equal to, here we have x cube plus 1 by x cube. So we can write this as x plus 1 by x cube is equal to x cube plus 1 divided by x cube plus 3 into x into 1 by x into x plus 1 by x, because we know that a plus a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b the whole cube plus 3ab into a plus b. So according to this equation we have written this. So this x and x will get cancelled each other. So therefore we have x plus 1 by x. What is the value of x plus 1 by x is 2. So 2 cube is equal to x cube plus 1 by x cube plus 3 into, again the value for x plus 1 by x is 2. Therefore 2 2s are 4 2s are 8 is equal to x cube plus 1 by x cube plus 3 2s are 6. So 8 minus 6 is equal to x cube plus 1 by x cube. Therefore x cube plus 1 by x cube is equal to 2. This is the answer for this question. Now let us move on to the next question. If 3x is equal to 4y, then find 4x plus 5y by 14x plus 3y. And these are the options. What they have given, 3x is equal to 4y. So from this we can write x is equal to 4 by 3y. Now what is the question? 4x, we have to find 4x plus 5y by 14x plus 3y. Now let us substitute the value of x in this equation. So 4 into 4 by 3y plus 5y divided by 14 into 4 by 3y plus 3y. Because if you make this x as y, then we can find the answer easily, or else we can make this y also as x. So which is equal to 4 4s are 16 by 3y plus 5y by 4 4s are 16, 6, 1, 5 by 3y plus 3y. Now take LCM, which is equal to 16y plus 5 3s are 15y. Now cross multiply this by, we have 3 the whole divided by 56y plus 3 3s are 9y the whole divided by 3. So this 3 3 will get cancel each other. So 16 plus 15 is 10 20 31. 31y by, here we have 65y. Therefore the final answer is 31 by 65. This is the answer. So here we have option 31 by 65. Option A is correct. This is the answer for this problem. Next, let us move on to the next problem. Next problem is 13 cube plus 7 cube divided by 13 square plus 7 square minus x is equal to 20. Now what we have to do is, we have to find the x value for this. Now we have to find x for this. Now we need, what is this in the form of a cube plus b cube. The whole divided by, this is a square plus b square minus x, which is equal to, we can split this 20 as 13 plus 7, so that we will have a plus b, isn't it? So we can split this 20 as 13 plus 7, so we have a plus b. Now we can write the equation for this a cube plus b cube. Already we know that it is a plus b into a square plus b square minus ab, the whole divided by, here we have a square plus b square minus x, which is equal to a plus b. Now cross multiply this so that we can write this as a plus b into a square plus b square minus ab is equal to a plus b into, now take this, a square plus b square minus x. Now what happened? This a plus b, a square b square minus ab is equal to a square plus b square minus x. So a square b square gets cancelled, so that we have ab is equal to x. Now what is the value for a? We know that a is equal to 13 and b is equal to 7. Now substitute 13 into 7 is equal to 6. 1, 9, which is equal to x. So therefore the value of x is equal to 91. Now let us move on to the next problem. If y plus 1 by z is equal to 1, x plus 1 by is equal to 1, what is the value of x, y, z? Now see here, y plus 1 by z is equal to 1. Now we can write this as y z cross multiply, plus 1 by z is equal to 1. Then y z plus 1 is equal to z. Now take the z this side. So yz minus z will be equal to minus 1. From this we can take z as common. So z y minus 1 is equal to minus 1. Now we can write z is equal to 1 divided by 1 minus y. So what happens here? We had minus, but here we have y minus 1. So if we take this side, here this will become positive. So we can interchange this 1 minus y. Similarly, what we are going to do is, we know that x plus 1 by y is equal to 1. So xy plus 1 is equal to 1. So then xy plus 1 is equal to y. So now take this y this side, xy minus y is equal to minus 1. Now take y as common, x minus 1 is equal to minus 1. Therefore we can write y is equal to 1 divided by 1 minus x. Now we found the answer for x, y, z and y. Now what we have to do is, we know that they are asking for x, y, z. Therefore x, y, z is equal to, now we have to find x. So what is y? 1 by 1 minus x, and z is 1 by 1 minus y. And already we know that x is equal to, isn't it? Now we can substitute here. So which is equal to x into 1 by 1 minus x into 1 divided by 1 minus, what is y here? 1 by 1 minus x. Now cross multiply this. So x, y, z is equal to x into 1 by 1 minus x into, now cross multiply this. So 1 divided by 1 minus x minus 1 by, here we have 1 minus x is equal to, now this 1 minus x, 1 minus x, this will come there. Therefore we will get x and x will get cancel. So x, y, z, which will be equal to minus 1. This will be your answer. So answer is minus 1. Let us move on to the next problem. If a by 3 is equal to b by 4 is equal to c by 7, then the value of a plus b plus c is, so those are the options. So we know that a by 3 is equal to b by 4 is equal to c by 7. Let us take k as a constant. Now we can write this as a is equal to 3k, b is equal to 4k, c is equal to 7k. Therefore a plus b plus c by c is equal to 3k plus 4k plus 7k by 7k. Therefore which is equal to 14k by 7k, which is equal to 2. So the option is 2. So this is very easy. If you get questions like this, you can solve easily. Then we'll move on to the next problem. If x by y is equal to 1 by 3, then find the value of x square plus y square by x square minus y square. So what is given in the question is x by y, which is equal to 1 by 3. So from this we can write x is equal to y by 3. Now we know x square plus y square by x square minus y square. So we have to find the solution for this. So which is equal to, now we know the value of x. So y by 3 the whole square plus y square by y by 3 whole square minus y square. So it is equal to y square by 3 3s are 9 plus y square by y square by 9 minus y square. Therefore it is equal to y square plus 9y square by y square minus 9y square by 9. Therefore which is equal to 9 plus 10 y square by minus 8y square. Therefore which is equal to minus 5 by 4. So the correct option is C, minus 5 by 4. Then we will move on to the next problem. This is our last problem in the simplification. If a by b is equal to 4 by 5 and b by c is equal to 15 by 16. Find the value of c square minus a square by c square plus a square. And these are the options given. So what they have given is a by b is equal to 4 by 5 and b by c is equal to 15 by 16. Now we can find a by c from this. So a by b into b by c, which is equal to 4 by 5 into 15 by 16. Now a by c, we can get a by c as 3 by 4. Therefore a by c is equal to 3 by 4. If a by c is 3 by 4, then what will be c by a? So c by a will be equal to 4 by 3, isn't it? Therefore now we can substitute directly and we can find the answer. C square minus a square by c square plus a square, which is equal to c square by a square minus 1 by, we can write the equation as a square plus 1. So what is c square by a square? That is 4 by 3 the whole square minus 1 by 4 by 3 the whole square plus 1. So which is equal to 16 minus, we can write directly 9 by 16 plus 9 by 9. Therefore which is equal to 7 by 25. This is the answer. Here I skipped this one step, that is here we'll get 16 by 9 minus 1 by 16 by 9 plus 1. So after this we have to take the LCM. So this is the solution for this question. Hope you would have understood this. If you have any doubt, ask me in the comment section. If you like this, share and subscribe. Thank you. We'll meet soon in the next video.